is News Writing Elementary Level English category. On the 7th place is from San Francisco Elementary School, Sablayan North District, lead Cyrus B. Maramag, Coach Criza Angela M. Villar, school paper Ang Baku. 6th place is from Barahan Elementary School, Santa Cruz District, Ayona Bell M. Coronado, Coach Marian Rosendo of Ang Punduhan. Taking the 5th spot is Iling Elementary School, Salazar South District, Chesga Alia Castro, Coach Emma B. Joaquin of Ang Bandilio. Taking the 4th place is from Payumpon Elementary School, Mambuno District, Kin Valeries C. Javier, Coach Joash Sandino Alcaide of the Eastern Tribune. Taking the 3rd spot is from Sablayan Central School, Sablayan South District, Ivy Sofia P. Advincula, Coach Arisbel B. Borsilio of The Flight. And our 2nd place is from Sibalat Elementary School, Magsaysay District, Matthew B. Teston, Coach Kenneth S. Serna of Ambalatan. And this year's RSPC qualifier is from Manood Elementary School, Rizal District, Jaylord Adams and Gotoy, Coach Julian Gabiola, school paper Ang Kalibasi. Congratulations. Thank you, winners. Next up is News Writing Secondary Level English category. Taking the 7th place is Manood National High School, Rizal District, Julia Elizabeth O. Amandoran. Is Occidental Mindoro National High School of Mamburao District, Hanali M. Maligalig, Coach Marisa M. Madaram of Mga Butil. And the 2nd place, it's you, Paluan National High School, Paluan District, Jerain Al Sauza, Coach Ma'am Lenifer Talento of Balin Natao. And the RSPC qualifier, come on the stage, Salazar National Agricultural Industrial High School of Salazar West District, Mary Ann Ansatalo, Coach Claudine Ray G. Luis of the Greentown. Claudine, dito ang lahat, Claudine. Once again, our winners for News Writing.
Okay, tuloy-tuloy po tayo. Our category now is Feature Writing. Pagsulat ng lapalain. Filipino category elementary level. Coming down, Tibang Elementary School, Aliana Colico, Coach Julie Di Mayakya, ang Bakawan. San Jose East, Princess Rayan Asidor, Coach Aileen Santa Rinala, ang Pandurukan. Congratulations to Sanidad, and 7th place, Aliana Colico. Congratulations! Yeah. Husay! 7th place from Iriron National High School, Kalintaan District, Kate Adrian Bauer. Bautista. Coach, Jenny Bautista, the Mangroves. 6th place, Kaminawit National High School, San Jose South. Andrea Solis. Coach, Jennifer Antonio, ang Angkla. 5th place, Manuot National High School, Rizal District, Princess Marcela Miguel. Coach, Jomar Nidoy. 4th place, mula sa Mamburao, OMNSS, Nias Sibayan. Coach, Janice Gallego, mga Putil. 3rd place, from Magsaysay District, Magsaysay National High School, Alexandra Nicole Vidal. Coach, Aaron Herodias ang Bahaghari. 2nd place, Santa Cruz National High School, Santa Cruz District, Ashley Altea Banite. Coach, Jovelyn Banite ang Talabasi. And the champion, and to Tagaytay City, ay di pala, Occidental Mindoro lang pala. Mula sa init talaga dito, no? Sa Mindoro. San Jose East District, Divine Word College of San Jose, Alexine Coquilang. Coach, Brenda Tamayosa, ang Divine Land. From the private school, Divine Word College of San Jose, 1 Alexine Coquilang, 2nd Ashley Altea Benite, 3rd para ma-identify natin. Yan. Hindi yan pare-pareho, kaya ma-identify natin kung sino first. Congratulations! Feature writing English elementary level. Come on down! 7th place, San Vicente Elementary School, Sablayan North, Camille Trilliana. Coach, Florabel Pacheco, ang Matingkay. Sana mga taga-South ay taga-North dyan sa Sablayan. Eileen Santa Inala, the Pandurukan. And the champion from Sablayan Central School, Sablayan South. Coach Aris Del Borsilio, the Clyde. Yan. And the last one, future writing secondary level English category. Bumaba ka na! OMNHS Mamburao, Julie May Olamo. Coach, Sherlyn Flores, mga Butil. From Santa Cruz National High School, Santa Cruz, Jaira Ray Enrico. Coach, Benster Andrew Alcaide. And of course, ang makakasama sa RSPC mula sa Magsaysay National High School. Coach Hazel Ann De La Torre, the Rainbow Connection. First, Glendy Palasige. 2nd, Enrico. 3rd, Abad. 4th, Mundia. 5th, Granil. 6th, Cambel. 7, Olango. Alright. Congratulations! Review para sa RSPC. Congrats! Doon po ang ikapitong pinakamahusay sa pagsulat ng editorial. Ligaya Elementary School, Sablayan South District. Chloe Ann E. Garcia, Coach, Mercy Dawa. School paper, Ang Butas Piliw. 6th placer, mula sa San Jose Pilot Elementary School, Ayesha Luis Tabian. Coach, Josephine Malaluan. Pagsulat ng editorial, Filipino Category Elementary Level ay mula sa Abra de Ilog District, Johan Gillian Radar, from Abra de Ilog Central School. Coach, Deca Bisiano. School paper, Ang Iraya. 7th place, Chloe Ann E. Garcia is Johan Gillian R. Radar. Ayan, thank you, winners. National High School, Rizal District, Heart Di Malaluan. Coach, Ara Jana Chamaita Alabata, Ang Panitig. Again, here are the winners for editorial writing secondary level Filipino category. 7th place, Nivea Amor Dequilia. 6th placer, Herminio Bordin. 5th, Cedric A. Katagatan. 4th, Jean Saizel Kirstine Palasique. 3rd, Milona K. Argilias. 2nd, Eliza Joy Cavi. And 1st, Heart Himalaluan. The champion and RSPC qualifier, San Jose Pilot Elementary School, San Jose East District, Juan Simus S. Masangkay. Coach, Josephine Malaluan. School paper, Ang Pandurukan. Again, 3rd, Josephine Lorraine Delamine. 2nd, Princess Cherry Geraya Cortez. And 1st, Juan Simus S. Masangkay. Anak ko lang ha, baka na naman may mag-question na naman na
small story up to the biggest controversy.
nanginginig na si Kuya. Ang pagkakot mo. Alright, best presenter. Next, best technical application, secondary, radio broadcasting. Sino ang makakasama namin sa RSPC?
The hottest, latest,
Okay, congratulations to all of you. Congratulations to the coaches. Yeah.